First things first, I'ma say.
Hello. Say hi, Kiki. Say hi.
Kiki, pretty bird. Shut up.
Didn't see that. Okay, so this is Kiki, a bird, female, yeah, and she's on me.
So we're at Home Depot, and we're picking out paint colors for Ethan's
Yeah.
room. And he's like, I want dark blue. I'm like, absolutely not. He's like, why? I'm like, you're gonna walk in your room and start crying.
You gotta listen.
It's so depressing. And then he's like, what about, what color did you say?
Cyan.
Cyan. And I'm like, I look at it and I'm like, what color? Stacy says to me, I'm like, what
Isn't it like
is
teal or
that?
something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Bobby's like, oh, as if you know that. And then, so we pick out this color.
I only know it because I thought it was cayenne for the longest time. And somebody corrected me. It was like, no, it's cyan.
So,
Yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video.
anyway, we
Just
pick
showing
out
you
this paint color, and I go
Kiki,
into his new room.
and that's it. Bye.
First things first,